Today, I'm going to show you exactly what to add to your water to transform it from ordinary hydration into a circulation-boosting powerhouse that keeps your energy, stamina, and overall vitality alive and strong. By the end of this video, you'll never look at a glass of water the same way again. But before we dive in, tap that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? I love hearing from men all over the world who are committed to taking charge of their health. All right, let's get into it. Here's the thing most people don't realize. As you age, your body's ability to absorb and utilize nutrients, especially minerals, drops dramatically. Your kidneys aren't as efficient, your digestive system slows down, and your thirst mechanism actually dulls over time. You might think you're drinking enough, but deep down, your body is quietly running on empty. You become hydrated on paper, but dehydrated at the cellular level. And this isn't just about thirst. When your cells aren't properly hydrated and charged, your blood vessels stiffen, your energy plummets, and your ability to maintain strong circulation, especially where it matters most, takes a serious hit. So yes, water is crucial. But the type of hydration you give your body after 50 determines whether your circulation flows smoothly like a river or slowly like sludge. And that's where minerals come in. I'm Dr. Nerita, a urologist with 12 years of experience helping men restore their confidence, vitality, and overall wellness naturally. And I've seen this same pattern thousands of times. Men over 50 come to me saying, "Doc, I drink my water, I eat clean, I exercise, but I still feel sluggish. My circulation feels off, and I'm losing that energy I used to have." And when I look deeper, 9 times out of 10, the issue isn't how much water they drink, it's what's missing in that water. Minerals are your body's electrical wiring. Without them, your cells can't communicate, your muscles can't relax, and your blood vessels can't open. Think of your body as a high-performance car. Water is the fuel, but minerals are the spark plugs. Without that spark, even the best fuel won't ignite the engine. So let's count down the 4 most powerful minerals you can add to your water to radically boost hydration, energy, and circulation, especially after 50. Mineral number 1, magnesium, the relaxation mineral. If there's one mineral I wish every man over 50 understood, it's magnesium. It's involved in over 300 processes in your body, but its most vital role for men's health? Relaxing your blood vessels. When you're deficient in magnesium, and 75% of men are, your arteries stay tense, constricted. That tension limits circulation everywhere, to your heart, your muscles, and even your most sensitive tissues. Here's what happens biologically. Calcium tells your muscles to contract. Magnesium tells them to relax. Without enough magnesium, calcium dominates, your arteries tighten, and blood flow drops. So instead of your circulatory system being open and flexible, it's constantly under tension, like a garden hose that's always half pinched. But when you add magnesium, especially magnesium glycinate or citrate, it acts like a natural relaxer, helping your blood vessels open wide, your muscles loosen, and your energy flow smoothly. It's not just about better circulation. It's about feeling calm, focused, and alive again. Practical tip: add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate powder to your morning glass of water. It dissolves easily, tastes mild, and gets absorbed fast. Do this for 3 weeks, and you'll start noticing smoother mornings, better energy, and yes, stronger circulation. Mineral number 2, sodium, the gatekeeper of hydration. Now, before you panic, I'm not talking about table salt. I'm talking about high-quality, unrefined salt like pink Himalayan or sea salt. Here's why. Sodium gets such a bad rap because most people get it from processed junk foods that destroy your mineral balance. But sodium itself, in its natural form, is vital. It's the gatekeeper that helps water actually enter your cells. Without it, your hydration stays superficial. Water just passes through you. You've probably experienced this, drinking tons of water, yet still feeling thirsty, tired, or bloated. That's what happens when your body lacks sodium and electrolytes. It can't hold on to the water. Sodium helps maintain your electrical charge, supports your nerve signals, and keeps your muscles contracting smoothly. How to do it? Add just a pinch, literally the tip of your pinky, of pink Himalayan or sea salt to your morning water. That tiny addition turns your glass into a mineral-charged electrolyte drink that hydrates at the cellular level. Emotionally, this one small act is like giving your body permission to hold on to strength. It helps you start your day steady, energized, and alert, without coffee crashes or dehydration headaches. Mineral number 3, potassium, the balancer. If magnesium is the relaxer and sodium is the gatekeeper, potassium is the balancer. It keeps everything in perfect harmony. Potassium works hand in hand with sodium to maintain the electrical gradient across your cell membranes. That gradient is what keeps your heart rhythm steady, your nerves firing, and your muscles responsive. Most men don't realize this. Potassium deficiency is one of the silent reasons for high blood pressure and poor circulation. Without enough potassium, your arteries stay tight, your heart works harder, and your energy dips. By restoring potassium, you help your arteries stay flexible, allowing blood to move freely, exactly what you want for optimal vascular health. Practical tip: add half a scoop of a potassium-rich electrolyte powder, low in sugar and high in minerals, to your water once daily, ideally after exercise or in the evening. It not only restores balance, but prevents that fatigued, wired, but tired feeling that comes from too much sodium or caffeine. This mineral is nature's way of saying, take a breath, you're safe, your body's in balance again. Mineral number 4, zinc, the testosterone guardian. Now, this one is absolutely crucial for men. Zinc is the quiet commander of your hormone system. It regulates testosterone, supports your immune defenses, and influences everything from your mood to your stamina. Even a small zinc deficiency can lower testosterone production, leaving you tired, mentally foggy, and less driven. The problem? Zinc is tough to absorb in tablet form, especially as you get older. That's why I recommend using liquid zinc drops. Just a few drops in your water once a day. It's simple, fast, and ensures your body gets the full dose it needs. Zinc also strengthens your prostate and supports immune recovery, critical after 50 when immune resilience naturally declines. Add this habit, and you're not just drinking for hydration. You're drinking for hormonal readiness. Let's turn this knowledge into something simple, doable, and effective. Here's your daily mineral hydration plan. Step 1, morning blood flow kickstart. Fill a large glass of water. Add half a teaspoon of magnesium glycinate plus a tiny pinch of pink salt. Stir, drink slowly, and take a few deep breaths as you do. This primes your blood vessels to open, your muscles to relax, and your energy to flow. Step 2, midday immune and hormone support. Around lunch, add a few drops of liquid zinc to your water. This helps keep testosterone levels stable, your immune system strong, and your energy balanced through the afternoon. Step 3, evening circulation rebalance. After dinner or exercise, mix half a scoop of potassium-rich electrolyte powder in water. This restores mineral balance and calms the cardiovascular system for the night. These 3 steps take less than 5 minutes total, but their cumulative effect can completely transform how your body feels and functions. Now, let's get real for a second. When men start noticing changes, slower mornings, weaker circulation, or fatigue, it's easy to feel discouraged. You might start thinking, maybe this is just age catching up to me, but that's not the full story. What's happening isn't failure, it's simply feedback. Your body is asking for better communication. These minerals are that language. They restore the electrical conversation between your cells and your blood vessels. You're not broken, you're just depleted. And depletion is something we can fix. When your hydration becomes functional, not just basic, you'll notice more than physical changes. Your focus sharpens, your sleep deepens, your mood stabilizes. You start waking up with that subtle, quiet confidence you thought was gone. Because true vitality isn't about feeling young. It's about feeling alive in your own body again. Gentlemen, your body is extraordinary. Even past 50, it has an incredible ability to regenerate, adapt, and thrive when you give it the right tools. Don't let plain water be a missed opportunity. Turn it into your daily electrical recharge, a ritual of strength, balance, and control. Start small. Magnesium in the morning, zinc midday, potassium at night. Stick with it for 21 days and watch your energy, your focus, and yes, your circulation change in ways you can feel.